In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change profile picture on Microsoft Outlook. This simple update is a great way to personalize your account and make your profile more recognizable across Microsoft services. The process is quick, straightforward, and can be done entirely through your web browser. To get started, open any web browser on your computer, such as Chrome, Edge, or Firefox. Once it's open, go to the address bar at the top, type in outlook.office.com, and press Enter. Allow the page to fully load, then sign in to your Outlook account using your credentials. After you've successfully logged in, look toward the upper right corner of the screen. You'll notice a small circular icon that either displays your current profile photo or your initials if no photo has been set yet. Go ahead and click on that icon to open a small menu. From the menu that appears, select the option labeled My Profile or View Account. This will redirect you to your main Microsoft account page, where you can manage your personal details and account settings. Once you're on that page, find and click the option that says Change Photo. A new window will appear, giving you the ability to update your image. Click on Upload New Photo, and this will open your computer's File Explorer so you can browse through your files. Take your time selecting a photo that clearly represents you. Once you've chosen an image, click Open to upload it. After the upload is complete, you may be given tools to adjust or crop the image. Make sure your photo is centered and fits nicely within the frame so it looks clean and professional. When you're happy with the result, click the Save button to confirm the changes. Your new profile picture will now be applied to your account. Keep in mind that it may take a short while for the update to appear across all Microsoft services. For best results, use a square image that is clear, well-lit, and properly framed. This helps ensure your profile picture looks good in all areas where it appears. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. See you in the next tutorial. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.